What have you got here?
Our BackSaver 1000.
Getting easier?
Yep. And the old ones, you use all your foot. But this one have everything on your hands. Like you can trust your legs and working just with your hands. It's kind of cool.
You think this looks promising or what?
I do. I think this is great. You save just a tremendous amount of time. Instead of 3 or 4 guys working on this for 4 hours, we got one guy and he'll just get through it in about an hour, hour and a half, I would guess. So it's going to be great.
¿Es divertido?
Divertido.
¿Cuál es mejor? ¿Este aquí o el pick?
No, menos pesado, mucho trabajo más.